Hi guys! Welcome to our channel, Fluidity of Life. Today it's Monday, 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and we're preparing dinner. And this is how our kitchen look like when me and Glenn are preparing two separate kinds of dishes. I'm hungry for Tinolangmanok. That's a simple one with just sayote. And my ingredients, just chayote and a piece of chicken. And Glenn is gonna have this fish. They look like fish. They are filleted from our fishing the other day. We filleted it.
That's your hardworking fishing.
Hardworking fishing. And he gonna eat it with French fries. It's cooking or baking right now. Baking? Baked fries. That's the French fries. Okay guys, see you when we're done cooking. Fries are done. And Tinolangmanok is coming along. Soon supper's gonna be served.
There we go, guys. We got all of our fish drenched in flour, corn flour, and seasonings. So they're all battered up. And now we're going to pan fry them. A little fish in the cast iron pan.
This is the best. The bigger one is the best.
Yeah.
And the rest are
sunfish.
sunfish. And guys, finally the cooking is done. Two dishes. French fries, baked fries, and deep fried buttered bass and sunfish. These fishes are the fruit of our labor fishing.
Yeah.
And mine is Tinolangmanok with chayote. Guys, that's basically how our food here, because most of the time I'm eating Filipino food. So two different.
Yeah.
If he wants taco, I want just the taco meat and rice. So here I got tinola and rice, and him French fries and battered baked fish. Okay, let's eat, guys.
So these battered fries are.
Okay, guys, come join us.
Not too bad on the oven anyway. Right?
Yeah.
You never get them as crispy as you want when they're in the bake, but definitely a lot less oil.
Okay, guys, later. Hi, guys. We're just gonna end our vlog for today with a strawberry, watermelon, and frozen yogurt smoothie.
Here's to you.
Oh, so sweet.
With fruity. Pretty good.
Strawberry and watermelon.
Vanilla ice cream.
I never ate watermelon with something else.
Yeah. Really good. And really sweet too.
Good night, guys. See you on our next vlog.
See you, everybody. Thanks for viewing. Hope you're doing great wherever you're at. See you in the next vlog. Bye.